In this video, we will walk you through changing the node of the Trinity desktop wallet. A node is a device on the internet that holds the IOTA ledger and shares new transactions with other nodes connected to it. These nodes can be run by anyone, as IOTA is a permissionless distributed ledger. These nodes make up the network that hosts the IOTA ledger, so when you send a transaction or check balances in Trinity, you are interacting with a node. For ease of use, we've included a list of default public nodes in the Trinity wallet. However, if you want to choose your own node or want to pick a particular one, we will show you how. Simply click the Settings tab. Here you see Node, and you can choose any of the ones we have already provided for you in the drop-down menu, or you can write your own custom node like this. And remember, whenever connecting to a node, you must use SSL encryption. So, simply add an S here, and you can save your node. If you're already logged into your wallet and you want to change your node, simply go to Settings, once again Node, and you can change it just like previously described.